Hello everyone! We'll show you how to sync Salesforce records to Shopify using the Send to Shopify button in Sync Made Easy. With this functionality, you can manually send supported Salesforce records to Shopify whenever needed. So, let's get started. I've already logged into Salesforce and connected my Shopify store with Sync Made Easy. First, let's make sure the Salesforce to Shopify data sync feature is enabled. Now, let's start with a product. Go to the Salesforce product page and click New Product. Select the required record type and click Next. Enter the product name and title, select the Shopify store, and click Save. Once the product is created, open the record. As you can see, the Shopify reference is currently blank. Now, click Send to Shopify. Once the synchronization is complete, the Shopify reference will be populated. Copy this value and switch to Shopify. Go to Products and search for the product using the copied reference. Here, you can see that the product has been successfully created in Shopify. Now, let's sync a contact. First, create a new account in Salesforce. Select the required record type, enter the account name, select the Shopify store, and click Save. Next, create a new contact under this account. Enter the contact's last name and email address, then click Save. Open the contact record and go to the Details section. The Shopify reference is currently blank. Click Send to Shopify. Once the synchronization is complete, the reference will be populated. Copy it and switch to Shopify. Go to Customers and search using the copied reference. As you can see, the contact has been successfully synced as a Shopify customer. Now, let's create a draft order for this account. Open the account and click New Order. Select the draft order record type and click Next. Enter the order, start date, and Shopify store, then click Save. Open the order record and add an order product. Select the product, enter the quantity, and save it. Open the order product, select the required variant, and click Save. Return to the order and open the Details section. Now, click Send to Shopify. Once the synchronization is complete, the Shopify reference will be populated. Copy the reference and switch to Shopify. Go to Orders and search using the copied reference. Here, you can see that the draft order has been successfully created in Shopify. Now, let's create a regular order. Go back to the account and click New Order. This time, select the order record type. Enter the order, start date, and Shopify store. Then click Save. Add an order product. Select the quantity and save it. Open the order product. Select the required variant, and save the changes. Return to the order and open the Details section. Click Send to Shopify to start the synchronization. Once complete, copy the Shopify reference and switch to Shopify. Go to Orders and search for the corresponding record. As you can see, the paid order has been successfully synced from Salesforce to Shopify. Finally, let's sync an opportunity. Go back to the account and click New to create an opportunity. Enter the opportunity name, select the stage, choose the close date, and select the Shopify store. Then click Save. Open the opportunity and add an opportunity product. Select the product, enter the quantity, and save it. Open the opportunity product. Select the required variant, and click Save. Return to the opportunity and open the Details section. Now, click Send to Shopify. Once the synchronization is complete, the Shopify reference will be populated. Copy the reference and switch to Shopify to verify the synced record. Here, you can see that the opportunity has been successfully created in Shopify. After refreshing the Salesforce opportunity record, you can also see that the opportunity name has been updated with the Shopify reference. This confirms that Salesforce records can be manually synced to Shopify using the Send to Shopify button. And that's how you can sync products, contacts, draft orders, paid orders, and opportunities from Salesforce to Shopify using Sync Made Easy. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us at support@syncmadeeasy.com. See you in the next demo.